This video is to give you a simple introduction to vectors. We're dealing with triangle OAB. We are told that OA is equal to vector A and OB is equal to vector B. Also, C is the midpoint of AB. In this sort of question, the diagrams are never drawn to scale, so take careful note of that. And we are asked to find vectors for AB, AC and OC. So first of all, we'll find a vector for AB. Notice that the direction is really important. We are going from A to B. And remember that vectors represent a journey. So this first bit is the key to getting vector questions right. Write your journey. We are going from A to B. So the alternative journey is from A to O and from O to B. We know that O to A is vector A. So A to O must be vector minus A. And we know that O to B is vector B. So we can write that straight down. This means that the vector for AB is equal to minus A plus B. We could write this as AB is B minus A, but at the moment I'm going to keep it like this. So we move on to the second question, which is to find a vector for AC, A to C. And vector questions often require you to use answers that you've worked out previously to help you answer new questions. We are told that C is the midpoint of AB. So our required vector AC is equal to half of vector AB. Of course, we've already worked out a vector for AB, so we can just substitute that in here. So our answer is AC is a half of minus A plus B. Notice that this is in brackets. However, I am going to rewrite this because I'm going to need this vector later on. So I'm going to write AC is minus a half A plus a half B. So we now move on to the final stage where I'm going to find a vector for OC, O to C. Remember that I've worked out this in the previous question. So I'm going to write down my journey for O to C. Instead of going straight from O to C, I'm going to go from O to A and then A to C. Remember that I've already worked out a vector for AC. So now I know that vector O to A is A, and vector A to C is written here, minus a half A plus a half B. Notice I've put this whole second vector in brackets. I can now simplify this expression here. We have A and minus a half A. Notice the plus and the minus here are different signs, so that makes this equivalent to a minus half, which leaves a result of a half A. And we've also got plus half B, which is equivalent to plus a half B. And this is my answer. OC is equal to a half A plus a half B.